Well, how's it going? I've got to film this. His batteries are low, but check that out. Look what's coming. It was really coming down hard earlier too. Back in there, the trail's back in that direction. I come over that stuff. This is a Bentley Mountain or something like that. Well, anyway, this video is going to be a little short. Check that out. It's coming right at me too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think it's going to get me. I may catch the edge of it. Look at that. That may be the Catskills of New York way back in there. It's beautiful up here. Absolutely amazing. The trail is incredible. Solid rock. Shoot a little bit of it. Oh gosh, look. Yeah, here it comes. Right as I get to the summit, of course. It was lightning earlier. Look. Alright, I'm gonna get in this. I'm gonna get out of this stuff. Oh. Just what I need. More rain on these slick, wet rocks. Adios, amigos.